Welcome to Stephen Gilbert RC. Support us on Patreon and enjoy the ride. Hey everybody, Stephen Gilbert here. We're gonna whoop. Kind of cold, kind of breezy out here. I might have made a mistake. We'll see how well we do though. Got the DVR recording and got it working again, and syncing on the right channel on the headset. Okay, so I've already burned enough battery just sitting here. Why isn't it going? Oh, because I'm on the simulator. God bless it. Oh, noob mistake. Okay, here we go. Now it's got RSSI. Here we go. Oh, I instantly got blown back. Okay. Huh? Let's do this. Oh, it's too windy to try to do intricate things. We're gonna do our best though. Oh. I'm getting beaten all to hell. Oh, I'm fine behind this sign. No, I'm not. Let's see. Acro mode? Nope. Ah, come on. Let me go get that. Remember, see where it's at. Okay. We're gonna do the best we can with the situation. I got pushed out of the air. I'm probably going to go in the rec center and see if I can film in there. Where's my drone?
get yourself in a flat.